Welcome to your Heritage Day weather forecast, where we can expect dry and windy conditions over the western part of the northwest, as well as a warning for a high fire danger rating. Morning fog starts off the day along the west coast, but overall we're expecting warmer conditions across South Africa. In fact, hot weather settles in over the northern and northeastern interior, and we're forecasting a hot Thursday for KwaZulu-Natal, partly cloudy in the northeast with isolated thundershowers mainly for Mpumalanga. We're still expecting some cloud along the coast with fine and dry weather over the South Africa central interior. Here's our rainfall probability map for the day with isolated thundershowers mainly for Mpumalanga. That also extends through to the southeastern part of Limpopo and possibly even over the extreme northwestern part of KwaZulu-Natal. Here's the hot weather across South Africa with many of the daytime highs heading into the 30s. We head into the mid-30s for Uppington and Kimberley, 33 for Bloemfontein and Mahikeng, as well as Bombela, Richards Bay and Pietermaritzburg. 30 degrees on the dot for Johannesburg, Bethlehem and Bishu, but still quite mild over the southern part of South Africa with a high of 23 for Port Elizabeth, George and Cape Town. Along the west coast, we're expecting a moderate southerly wind for Alexander Bay with a light northwesterly wind for Namaqualand. You'll see light onshore winds along the west coast all the way through to Langebaan with a 2-meter southwesterly swell at 13 seconds. A moderate northwesterly wind is forecast for Cape Town with a fresh west northwesterly wind for Hermanus and a strong westerly wind as we head towards Cape Agulhas. Along the southwest coast, we can expect a 2.5-meter southwesterly swell at 11 seconds. Good beach conditions are expected over the southern part of South Africa with light winds in the forecast between Mossel Bay and Jeffreys Bay. You'll see a southerly wind for Mossel Bay with more of a moderate southeaster as we head towards Port Elizabeth. And here we're expecting a 2-meter southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. A fresh northeasterly wind is expected along the east coast between Richards Bay and the Wild Coast with a 25 km/h east-northeasterly wind for East London. And along the east coast, we're expecting a very small swell of only 1 meter from the northeast with a wave period of 9 seconds. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Heritage Day.